y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 2-week meal plan and grocery haul for you guys. I know I love seeing what other people eat, so I hope that you enjoy this type of video as well. If you do, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, and then don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. Alright, let's go ahead and jump right into this meal plan and grocery haul. Alright, so this is my monthly meal plan for August, but like I said, I am planning to show you guys the last 2 weeks of August, which was what my grocery haul was for. So we are doing chicken teriyaki with cauliflower fried rice, and then on Tuesday we'll do beef tacos. Wednesday we're going to do the crock pot balsamic glazed beef with some carrots and potatoes, and that will be in the crock pot. Leftovers on Thursday. We do pizza on Fridays. We are trying a low country boil in the crock pot. We do low country boils pretty regularly with our family down here, and we've never done it in the crock pot before though, so figured we would try it. And then we're gonna do cheesy chicken crock pot meal with zucchini, baked lemon butter tilapia with asparagus, sheet pan chicken nachos, chicken and cauliflower rice casserole, or I did end up getting cauliflower tots, so we may just do some type of chicken baked or in the crock pot with cauliflower tots instead. Leftovers, and then pizza on Friday. And I will leave any of the recipes that I have down in the description box below in case you guys want to check it out, because I do get a lot of recipes from Pinterest. So I'll also leave this whole monthly meal plan on my Instagram account if you want to go follow me over there. And also I will leave a link to this monthly meal planning sheet down in the description box as well, in case you guys are interested. Alright, so first I got some mozzarella cheese, and this is the string cheese. I give this to the kids for lunch. This is some sliced Swiss cheese for one of our meals. I got some more sour cream, and I just get the Daisy brand. I got fat-free milk, and this is just the Great Value brand. Some boiled eggs. I like to eat these for a snack. This is the Roaring Waters, and this was the tropical Tide flavor. And I think I asked for like fruit punch or whatever, but they were out of that, so they substituted for this. And I give my kids one of these in their lunchbox every day. And then some turkey breast, and this is our favorite kind of turkey meat. I got some kielbasa for our low country boil that we're gonna do. And then cinnamon rolls. If you didn't see my video that talked about our breakfast menu for every week, I do a Fun Friday breakfast every Friday, and for some reason this isn't focusing. There we go. And so this Friday they're going to be having cinnamon rolls for their Fun Friday breakfast. And then I got some blueberries, some grapes, so a big bag of grapes. I got 2 things of bread. We go through bread like crazy, but this is whole wheat, Nature's Own, so I put one in the freezer. We got a red potato for our one of our meals that we're doing. I showed you guys this last time, but this was our hummus that we really like. I love spicy, so if you like spicy, this is definitely really good to try. Then I got some strawberries, some asparagus, some baby carrots, bananas, Old Bay seasoning for our low country boil. We got some Worcestershire sauce. I heard someone say, is anybody really confident in the way that they say this? So maybe I'm saying it wrong. Y'all let me know if you know the correct pronunciation of this word down in the comments below. I'd love to know. The next one is we got some cream of mushroom, some rotel, beef broth. These are all for recipes that we're doing that I showed you guys. We got this coffee. We haven't tried it before, but it was only like $4 and something for 12 counts, so we wanted to try that. So we got 2 of those. I got 4 packets of taco seasoning just to get us through the whole month because they're super cheap at Walmart. We use the flour tortillas. We use the fajita sized ones, and this comes in 20 packs. So I love these. They're really good if you eat carbs. And then on Mondays we do muffins for breakfast. So I got blueberry and then 2 of the strawberry. One of them was substituted. I was supposed to get wild berry, but they were out. And then I get a 20 pack of Lay's mixed chips. We got some green apples, and these were on sale. This we are going to try with our recipe tonight. It's the cauliflower crumbles fried rice blend, and we are doing teriyaki chicken and rice. So this is going to be our trial run. Hopefully it's really good. A good way to get the kids to eat some greens or some veggies. Alright, we got some ground beef for our tacos, my Coconut Dreams cookies, this stuffing mix for one of our crock pot recipes. We got this chuck tender roast. We're going to be doing that on Wednesday in the crock pot. A large bag of shrimp, and these are raw shrimp that we're going to be using in our low country boil. Some boneless, skinless tilapia fillets. And then you guys asked me, you said a lot of people asked me about the veggie tots. They didn't know that they made cauliflower tots. So this is the Green Giant cauliflower tots. I got them at Walmart, but I have gotten them at Kroger before, so I'm sure Publix has them. I'm sure most stores have them. You just need to look in the frozen veggie section. I got 2 packs of broccoli florets because this is definitely one of the vegetables that my kids will eat. So if they don't eat something else, we end up making broccoli just so they have their veggies. Some corn on the cob, and this was 24 mini ears of corn on the cob, so this will last us a while because we'll do a little bit of that in our low country boil. And then I got 3 zucchini because I love zucchini. And then I got a 24 pack of Diet Dr. Pepper. They're super cheap at Walmart. It's like $6 and something, so I got that. Alright guys, so that was it for my meal plan and grocery haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.